Hello, everybody. Let us continue with my series on goods and services tax MCQs, series 2, question number 21 to 40. Let us see question number 21. GST dealers with annual turnover of are not required to use HSN code A less than 1.5 crore, B less than 20 lakhs, C less than 1 crore, D less than 75 lakhs. The correct answer is less than 1.5 crores. Next objective number 22. In the case of import or export of goods using is mandatory. A 2-digit HSN code, B 4-digit HSN code, C 4-digit HSN code. It should be 6-digit HSN code. D 8-digit HSN code. The correct answer is 8-digit HSN code in case of import or export of goods. Question number 23. Under GST law, SAC refers to A. Systematic accounting code, B. Service accounting code, C. System administration code, D. Scientific accounting code. Answer is B. Service accounting code, which is used to refer the service. Object number 24. Under GST law, tax rates are determined by A. Central government, B. State government, C. GST Council, D. Central government in consultation with state government. The answer is GST Council. C is the option. Next question number 25. Base metals, gold, that is precious metals, gold, silver, articles of jewelry are taxable in India at the rate of, that is under GST, of course, A 0.25%, B 1%, C 3%, D 5%. The correct answer is C 3%. Next objective number 26. The bill issued by GST registered dealer to the customers to whom taxable goods or services are supplied is called as A. Tax invoice, B. Bill of lading, C. Bill of supply, D. GST bill. It is called as tax invoice. It is called as tax invoice. Objective number 27. Works contract is a supply of. The GST works contract is a supply of A. Goods, B. Services, C. Both goods and services, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Services. Next objective number 28. Services by an employee to the employer in the course of or in relation to his employment is A. Supply of goods, B. Supply of services, C. Supply of both goods and services, D. It is not a supply under GST. Yes, answer is D. It is not a supply under GST. Object number 29. All services provided by e-commerce operators. A. GST is applicable. B. GST is not applicable. C. Reverse charge applicable. D. IGST applicable. The correct answer is A. GST is applicable on the e-commerce operators. Objective number 30. The rate of composition tax for trading firm is A. 1%, B. 2%, C. 3%, D. 12%. The correct answer is A. 1%. Objective number 31. A composite taxpayer is required to file summarized details of transactions A. Annually, B. Half yearly, C. Quarterly, or D. Monthly. The answer is C. Quarterly. Question number 32. A taxpayer under the composition scheme A can collect GST, B can collect reverse tax, C cannot collect GST, D can collect composition tax. The correct answer is cannot collect GST. Object number 33. Hostels eligible for composition scheme shall be liable to pay tax at rate A 5%, B 1%, C 18%, and D 12%. The answer is A 5%. Hotels eligible for composition scheme shall be liable to pay tax at 5%. Next object number 34. GST applicable on 5-star hotels, restaurants is A 5%, B at the rate 18%, C at the rate 28%, D at 40%. The correct answer is 18%. Option is B. Option number 35. Times of supply means the date of issue of invoice or date of payment. A. Whichever is earlier. B. Whichever is later. C. Any of the two. Or D. None of the above. Answer is A. Whichever is earlier. Question number 36. Input tax credit shall be allowed only against A. Any tax payable. B. Output tax. C. Composite tax. D. Refund. Answer is B. Output tax. Objective number 37. Details of outward supply shall be furnished in A. GSTR 3, B. GSTR 2, C. GSTR 1A, D. GSTR 1. Answer is GSTR 1. GST written 1. Objective 38. GSTR 2A is auto-generated from A. GSTR 3, B. GSTR 2, C. GSTR 2A, D. GSTR 1. The answer is GSTR 1. Objective number 39 gives the details of goods or services received by the recipient. It is auto-populated out of the GSTR 1 submitted by different suppliers. Given the details of goods and services received by the recipients, it is auto-populated out of the GSTR 1 submitted by the different suppliers. A. GSTR 3, B. GSTR 3B, C. GSTR 2A, D. GSTR 9. The correct answer is C. GSTR 2A. 40. Electronic way bill is compulsory to move goods or worth for whom the e-way bill or electronic way bill is compulsory. And objectives options are A. Rupees 10,000 or more if the movement of goods is or the supply of goods is A. Rupees 10,000 or more, B. 20,000 or more, C. 50,000 or more, D. 1 lakh or more. The correct answer is C. 50,000 or more. If the goods or service, if the goods are more than 50,000 and the distance is above 50 kilometers, then e-way bill is compulsory. So thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, and keep it up with my next series. Thank you so much.